Hi Mandla, how are you?
Good, thanks. Yourself?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing? How's your refit treating you?
It's gotten easier with time. It was hard at the beginning. I experienced some skin excoriation. Still am actually, but I see the result. I see the result every day. I went from a 45-kilogram weight, which was very visible because you could just tell by looking at me that I was underweight, terribly underweight. Because the stoma I had a very high output, which meant I wasn't getting as much nutrition from the food I was eating. So now, since I started refeeding, all the food that comes out into my stomach goes back into my body, and I've started gaining weight. I went from a 45 to a 52, and currently now I'm at 56. And I take my weight every Friday. Hopefully this Friday I'll be much more than 56.
Oh, that's nice. And when did you start refeeding?
I started June, right after I had my second operation. I think around June 22nd.
Right.
Yes.
What was the diagnosis?
I had a bowel obstruction, and then I had a laparotomy, which the bowel was found. And at first they thought, there was a tumor, and they thought the tumor could be cancerous. A biopsy was taken, and luckily enough, it was not cancerous. So thank God for that. Yes.
Oh, that's good. So you're looking forward for reversal?
Yeah, absolutely.
So when is the reversal will take place?
I am not sure yet, but the numbers are looking good. My weight has picked up, and my albumin has reached the level which they said is necessary. They said minimal was 30, and I'm at 31, so...
I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm really, really happy for you. You're looking very good compared to the last time. You're looking absolutely very handsome.
I feel good also.
Oh.
I feel good. I have a very big appetite. I always have something in my mouth, really. And none of it goes to waste because I refeed everything.
That's great.
Everything.
That's good. That's good. Everything must go in.
Everything.
Oh, that's good. So what are you saying to the hospital and the nursing staff?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you to you, Sister Hilda. The nurses, the doctors, everybody really. It was a joint commitment that's gotten me this far. I suffered a bit of depression because the situation was just out of hand for me.
I know, yeah.
And it's been a journey.
Yeah.
It's really been a journey. But collectively with you, the nurses and the doctors, we now here, and I feel great. I'm no longer depressed.
That's good.
I feel like myself.
Yes, I see that.
It's just looking forward to the reversal.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's great. So what are you saying to the inside company?
Good job with the machine. I'm not sure if there could be any improvements as of yet. The charging lasts, the battery lasts very long. I mean, I charge overnight and it lasts for about 2 days before it needs a second charge. So big up on that. Just thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.